Hi lovelies, let me share with you how I made this bowl of vegetable salad. So healthy. So I'm making this vegetable salad for 20 people. Okay, no, not 20, 30 people in our church. You know, church in Europe, we're not that much like we do have in Nigeria. Okay, so last Sunday we decided to celebrate our fathers. So I was told to make vegetable salad. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, if you guys saw me on Sunday morning, I was on live stream while videoing this at the same time. Okay, I decided to use one stone to kill two birds at the same time. So I bought two big heads of cabbage. So I washed them very well, and now start cutting it. You can see I divided it into two parts and then finished cutting the other part, and I start with this one. So I can show how I cut all of them so that this video will not be long. Okay, so I want you guys to watch to the end. That's why I always make my videos to be short. Okay, thank you all. So I just finished cutting the cabbage, and then I'll be cutting two big cucumbers. Okay, these cucumbers are very big. I was looking for my potato cutter, I didn't see it, so I have to use knife like that. After all, they are all meant for peeling the skin. Okay, so I just finished. I washed the cucumber. Remember, I wash it very well with salt and salt, and then I peel off the skin and then go ahead to slice it. Okay, so shout out to all my newest subscribers. You all are welcome to the family. To my returning subscribers, I thank you all for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for all the like, comments and shares. I so much appreciate it. And if this is your first time of coming across my video on my channel, thank you for stopping by to watch my video. Please subscribe. Subscription is free, it doesn't cost anything. And then click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. I would want you to be part of this family so much. Okay, also like, comment and share to your family and friends. So I just finished cutting the cucumbers and I'll now set it aside. I will be using sweet corn too. Okay, you know this vegetable salad is a 5 layers vegetable salad. Okay, so I sieve out the water they used in preserving the sweet corn and then set it aside. In a bowl, I just transfer the cabbage and then add the carrots. I bought the carrots, the already sliced one. Okay, you know I'm a mom, so I can't start cutting the carrots. I just bought the already cut one, so I just added it on top of the cabbage. Okay, so this is the second layer. Yeah. So I will then go ahead with the cut cucumber, the sliced cucumber. Okay, I will add the sliced cucumber, arrange it to be in order. So it's now the turn of sweet corn. I just added a sweet corn too. You know, this is not just a cholesterol, this is 5 layers vegetable salad. Okay. What is missing here is just the baked beans. Okay, you know, it's not everybody that like baked beans. I love baked beans in my vegetable salad, so you know it's a church thing now, so I didn't add the baked beans. So the last layer being the egg, I just added egg on top of it, and our vegetable salad is all ready.